Video number 5. Video length and format. YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a vertical video of a very short time period. It was created with lots of effort and after a lot of research. Already we have YouTube Stories, but these YouTube Shorts are different from it in many ways. YouTube Shorts were created during the fall of 2020. Time duration of 60 seconds. Aspect ratio is 9:11. Resolution minimum is 600 by 600 and maximum 1080 by 1080. The YouTube Shorts video size in pixels is 1280 by 720. Knowing all these features will help you to design and deliver your video content in a better way. Instagram Reels. Use it to create fun videos that show your brand's personality and give followers a reason to respond and engage. Think about Reels as a lighthearted alternate to Stories. Reels offer more editing features and aren't removed after 24 hours. Time duration is 15 or 30 seconds. Aspect ratio is 9:16. Pixel dimensions is 1080 by 1920. You can add a caption to your reel that runs up to 2,200 characters. There's also a limit of 30 hashtags that you can include with any post. Snapchat Spotlight. The Spotlight feature is a dedicated tab in the app for promoting short viral videos from the Snapchat community. They should make use of Snapchat's creative tools like captions, sounds, lenses, or GIFs if possible. Spotlight Video does not have a comment section, and other users won't be able to see your display names unless you are 18 plus and have a public profile. The snaps have to be appropriate for a 13 plus audience. Time duration is 5 to 60 seconds. Aspect ratio is 9:16. Minimum resolution is 576 by 1024. TikTok. TikTok is the newest promising frontier in video content marketing. As of early 2019, it was the third most downloaded app globally, growing to 500 million users in the first year. The platform is also becoming a great place for businesses to grow. Time duration is 60 seconds. Aspect ratio is 9:16. Dimensions 1080 by 1920. The file size of video should be up to 287.6 MB in size for iOS or 72 MB on Android. For ads, it can be up to 500 MB. TikTok supports MP4 and MOV files. For ads, it also supports AVI and GIF files. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.